Hello everyone, welcome to MK Learning. In today's video, I am going to tell you normal versus advanced English sentences. But before I start video, I request you to subscribe my YouTube channel if you're interested in learning English. It's all about English learning. So let's get started. In normal, she forced me to leave the room, but in advanced, it's she kicked me out of the room. I don't believe this story. In advanced, I don't buy this story. In normal, can we start? In advanced, can we get started? In normal, let's make things more exciting. In advanced, let's spice things up. In normal, I had a quiet weekend. In advanced, I had a low-key weekend. In normal, why are you bad in mood? In advanced, why are you cranky? If you like this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and to subscribe my YouTube channel to get more videos.